Cak ayam betul. Greetings and salutations guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your rain shower DIY. We had this rain shower for many years already. Biasalah, kadang-kadang kita beli barang-barang ni, kalau beli kita cari yang murah. But sometimes beli barang-barang murah doesn't pay off. Itulah bila kita orang mandi, tiba-tiba bila pasang rain shower tu, bila buka tiba-tiba air splash. So I remember hearing a click sound kita tengah mandi tu. Tengok apa benda tu. And since we bought it cheap, we're gonna fix it cheap, DIY style. Alright guys, by first inspection, I noticed there are screws over here. So maybe it's a good idea to remove them. So itulah guys, bila kita orang mandi ni, air semua melimpah keluar daripada tepi ni. So the seal has somewhat failed. So maybe we can try to reseal it back and hopefully make it flushed. By first inspection nampak macam okey je, macam tak ada apa-apa masalah. Tak adalah any water residual or any type of residue that actually led to the to the leakage. Nampak macam okey. Maybe screw dia dah longgar kot. Bila tengok dekat dia punya main head shower pun tengok macam tak ada masalah, semua okey je. Maybe this could be a very easy fix. Guys, I actually found the problem. The problem is actually dia punya screw dekat sini ni dah patah. And this one also dah crack. Dekat sini pun dah crack. Yang ini pula dah patah. Patutlah ada leaking. So I'm actually thinking to put a little bit of silicone on the side. Tahu tak silicone yang orang guna untuk aquarium? Those silicones actually are very strong. Don't underestimate the strength of silicone. I suppose kalau nak guna super glue pun boleh. Tapi super glue tu bila dia dah kering dia jadi keras. So bila you nak touch up ke apa, kena buat sanding lah pula. Kalau silicone is still a little bit of flexible, so it's a little bit more easier to manage. Alright guys, before we apply any silicone, I think it's better to prep ourselves. So we're gonna give it a nice clean. Alright guys, ini dia punya silicone. Make sure you use the clear silicone that is dedicated for the usage under water pressure. Alamak guys, dah lama tak guna dia dah keras. Kena cari yang lain lah. Kita orang dah korek dalam stor rumah, kita jumpa silicone yang guna gun. So make sure when you buy one at the store, dia guna yang yang waterproof lah. Alamak guys, kita punya silikon semua dah keras lah, semua tak boleh guna. So I guess we're gonna have to use what we have. So kita akan guna super glue. Tapi I highly recommend for you to use the silicone. Kita nak guna je super glue, because kalau tak work, buang je lah, beli baru. Cak ayam betul. Alright guys, this is the hot glue gun. You can buy it anywhere from the grocery. Grocery. Alright guys, this is the hot glue gun that we have. You can probably buy this anywhere at the hardware store. It comes in handy. Okay guys, kita tunggu dia panas dulu. Cucuk dia punya wire, tunggu dia panas. Sekarang kita pasang balik dekat dia punya head. Make sure it's aligned dengan screw . Alright, cantik. Alright guys, since this head shower is actually quite old, I thought it'll be worthwhile to actually add a double security. So kita tambah aja dia punya seal tu, macam gasket lah macam tu. Just go around the perimeter. Alright guys, kita ganti gasket yang baru Sekarang kita ganti teflon baru Alright guys, now you leave it for 24 hours for the hot glue to cure.
24 hours later.
Alright guys, sekarang dah cure, kita pasang je balik. Kita testing Alright guys, kita dah pasang. Nampak dia very crude, tapi yang penting is functional. Moment of truth. Siap. So the next time when your rain shower is leaking, why don't you fix it yourself?